Shifting focus to other news, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has slammed the Congress for supporting the Gupkar Declaration and his restoration that the demand that they have been making of Article 370 in J&K. BJP has alleged that the Congress wants to divide India and the politics on national security is simply unacceptable.
किसी भी विषय पे हो, पाकिस्तान की प्रशंसा करना इनको अच्छा लगता है, चीन की प्रशंसा करना उनको अच्छा लगता है। यही कांग्रेस का रूप है। धारा 370 भी संविधान ने ही कहा था कि थोड़े समय के लिए है, जाएगी। 70 साल रही और धारा 370 जाने के लिए अलगाववाद खत्म हुआ। वहां दलित, पीड़ित, वंचित, शोषित, ओबीसी सभी समुदायों को आरक्षण का लाभ मिला। देश के अनेक जनता के हितों के कानून कश्मीर में लागू हुए। ये फायदा है, लेकिन ये फायदा होकर भी आज कांग्रेस धारा 370 के खिलाफ बोल रही है। बिहार के चुनाव के मौके पर मैं उनको चुनौती देता हूं कि वो लिखे अपने घोषणा पत्र में बिहार में, ये जानबूझकर समाज तोड़ने का, वोट बटोरने का ये राजनीति है और इसकी हम भर्त्सना करते हैं।
So that's the kind of backlash that the Congress party especially has been facing after the tweet of former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram saying that they back wholly when it comes to the restoration of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier, parties like the left and also the RJD and now the Congress party have backed the restoration, and the BJP has come out in full force and has challenged the Congress to put that very same demand for the restoration of Article 370 in J&K in their manifesto for the coming Bihar elections that are to take place. Now, we have Gursimran with us to give us more updates on this, because Gursimran, the BJP has been saying that this is a Pakistan political agenda that the Congress party is trying to get into this issue of the restoration of Article 370. क्या उनमें पर इतनी हिम्मत होगी? क्या वो पार्टी मैनिफेस्टो में डालेंगे? क्योंकि 10 दिन ही बचे बिहार इलेक्शंस के फर्स्ट फेज में।
Yes, the Bharatiya Janata Party has challenged the Congress and they have dared them to put this abrogation, the support of revocation of Article 370 into their agenda, and they have asked them that if Congress dare to put this in their manifesto, that they want Article 370 to be restored in Jammu and Kashmir, because in the past we have also seen that after the Gupkar Declaration meet, when the People's Alliance was announced, the Bharatiya Janata Party said that this is on the directions of Pakistan and the directions of China, those who don't want peace in Jammu and Kashmir, because since abrogation the incidents of violence have come down in Jammu and Kashmir. But now, after the regional parties of Jammu and Kashmir, now the Congress has openly supported the restoration of Article 370 and 35 Alpha, with P. Chidambaram coming out and tweeting in favor of revocation of Article 370. Bharatiya Janata Party has completely lashed out on this Congress and their regional parties, their regional allies which they have in Gupkar Declaration.
All right, Gursimran, thanks very much for joining in. So more reactions that are coming in from the BJP side, challenging the Congress party and also the RJD. Just 10 days to go before the first phase of assembly polls that will take place in the state of Bihar.